Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT. And right now I'm working on a blackjack game, but I've been extremely unhappy with the scanner that's been totally destroying my program. Let me show you. So far I have it set up so I can create a bunch of players. So I would say, oh, the player name is John, he gets $100. I'm like, but for some reason, instead of getting another player, it just asks. But for some reason, the second time it goes through, it automatically answers. It only creates one player and goes through the game like normal afterwards. But that's not what I want to happen. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT and see if it can figure out why it's happening. Why is my code acting weird when creating players? Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna copy and paste it and see if it works. My code isn't that complicated, so I think it should be able to fix it. But I'll obviously review it a little bit more. If it doesn't, if it does, same thing. John, $100. Yes. Jane, $200. Let's say no. All that makes sense. So first of all, this blank draws a card should take in the player. So let's figure that out. So we have a print card right here, and all I have to do is player.getName, pass that in as a parameter, and everything should work. So now I would say yes. Wait. Okay, why does my... Why is it failing to create the player? I am so confused right now. What? Why is it... It's still... Well, let's see. Yes. $100. Wait. Why did it not have anything in between? Yes. Okay, yeah, that did not fix my code whatsoever. Are there any easier alternatives to scanner in Java? Because scanner is what everyone's taught. So let's try buffer reader instead. So I'm gonna try to refactor my code. So let's import the stuffs. Now, instead of creating a scanner, we're going to create a buffer reader. Reader.readLine. That should work, hopefully. If I click that, that looks like that fixed stuff. Tells you it can be pretty cool sometimes. Oh, so I need to refactor the other code. So I would pass in reader instead. Okay, now I believe stuff should work. But Java is weird, so you never know. I would like to say yes. ACF, $100. Yes. John, you get $100, no more. So let's check this code. Then ASCF drew 7, and then king of spades, so he should have 7, or it or she, whatever gender ASCF is. John drew ace of clubs, then fove of hearts, and then I get to choose. So I drew a fove of hearts, and I think I want 1 point from it to count for it now. So that means he got 6 points. So yeah, things are working pretty fine. And I am liking this switch to the buffer reader. It wasn't as bad, and it's pretty intuitive. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. Anyways, bye-bye.